Hey everyone, how are you all? Hope you're doing good. I'm going to review today NYX blush palette. So this is how it looks like, and it has 8 shades, and this is called Sweet Chicks Blush Palette, and this retails for 1500 rupees and you get 3.5 gram of product, and the shelf life of the product is 24 months. These are the shades which you get in this blush palette, and all are awesome colors. This have a combination of light, medium, dark blushes, so you can basically create your own blush out of it also, because you can mix and match. Every palette that you actually buy, like a eyeshadow palette or a blush palette or a lipstick palette, the main thing about that palette is you can come up with your own thing. You may say that, oh god Monica, 1500 for this particular palette looks too high, but if you actually divide it and see per palette, not per palette, per blush, how much you pay, this comes around 190 rupees, and that's very affordable. Because if you see other blushes that you get from any makeup brand like Maybelline, L'Oreal, Lakme or anything, it's actually around the same or more than that for per blush. So if you actually see like that, this is affordable palette. Now the only two things missing in this palette, and it doesn't affect the quality of the product, is first thing, it doesn't have mirrors. Another thing is you may miss the names because there are no names written on this. So that's the thing, because you cannot point out to your friend that, hey, I use that palette, NYX palette, and I use this particular shade on my cheeks today. So you just have to point out, or you just have to say third or fourth shade, something like that. So these are the two things that you will miss in this palette. So this is a closer look of the palette, and if you just notice, these two are shimmery shades, and rest all 6 colors are matte. Look at the colors, guys. You have all the colors in one palette. You have orange, you have peach, you have pink, you have dark kind of shade. So you really can, you know, use this anytime, anywhere. You can use this as an eyeshadow also. You can use these two colors, shimmery shades, on your eyelids as an eyeshadow or a highlighter. So I have to show you how this works. So here I come. So what I will do is I'll just mix and match few colors, okay, and I'll just apply it. I was just thinking to mix and match this orange shade, this brown shade, so this particular shade, okay. So I'll just mix and match this 3, and I'll just show you how it works. So I'm just gonna tap it and dust off, and just gonna apply like, you know, like that. You can see the pigmentation is pretty high, and this is how it looks. It looks a bit more than I usually apply. So what I'm going to do is I'll just take my beauty blender with which I have applied the foundation, and I'll just go over it. I think it's fine now, and yeah, this is how it looks. So let's talk about the quality of the product. Quality is really good. This is NYX cosmetic, and you don't have to worry about it. You will not regret buying it, and the texture is very buttery, very smooth, and it's not chalky or that powdery, and even the pigmentation of each blush is too good. If you see the swatches, you will come to know that it's just in one swipe I have done that. Power is really good. It's good for 4 to 5 hours. If you see, if you have applied too much, it will stay for long, but if you have a light blush going on, then after 4 to 5 hours it will just fade away. This blush palette is really good for beginners as well as professional makeup artists, guys. It just works well. So yeah, I would highly recommend it, and I love this. It's all about this product. Hope you have liked the review. If you have liked it, please subscribe, like, share, do everything that you can do that will support me, please. Okay, so I'll see you in my next video. Till that time, take care of yourself. Bye bye.